Hello! In this video we are going to learn about hotkeys in Maya and how to set up them. Well, the reason you want to use hotkeys is because they speed up your workflow dramatically, so you want to hotkey the tools you use the most. So the way you go about doing this is by clicking on Windows, and then going to Settings and Preferences, then the Hotkey Editor. So once this window pops up, you have this interface, and here where it says enter the application command is the easiest place for you to search for your tool instead of going through all these categories here. So let's say, for example, we want to assign extrude, and you're going to see this extrude, poly extrude. That's the runtime command. That's the command that you can type in this this script space here, and it's going to run extrude, or you can assign a hotkey here. I'm going to, for this example, assign the hotkey Z. So it says it's already assigned to extrude face. That's because I have my extrude face hotkeyed to Z, but you will probably get the message that the undo is, as far as I remember, assigned to Z. And in my opinion, you can change that because Control Z is already undo. That there are already two undos by default. So for example, I can just press yes and then save and close. So now I'm creating a polygon primitive just to show you what happens. I select edges and press Z. Now I have the extrude tool activated, and I can do everything I want to do with it. Let's now assign some other tool to another hotkey. Let's go, for example, a bevel. So again, Windows, Settings and Preferences, Hotkey Editor. I type in bevel here, and it says it's already hotkeyed to Control B. Let's pretend that it's not, and I pressed Control B and it said blah blah blah, so I just press save and close. And now when I click again our edges, Control B, and as you can see I have the controls. So that's generally how you can hotkey everything that you need, and I strongly advise you to do so because it will speed up your workflow dramatically. That's it. Thank you very much.